today we will go through what is data role. Okay, what is data role and what is security profiles. So this is complex subject. I am telling upfront itself. This is complex subject. Even if you don't understand, you don't have to demotivate. Okay. Even if you don't understand, you don't have to what? Even if you don't understand what you have to do, you don't have to be demotivated. Okay. So it's a long-term subject. It will take some time to understand, but at one point of time, we have to start that one, right? Whether it is complex, easy, we have to start that one, right? So data role is a combination of. So data role is a combination of job role plus security profiles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is meant by data role? Data role is a combination of job role and security profile.
Security profile.
Okay. So what is the principle of security? What is the principle of security in Oracle?
Least privilege. Least privileges. Yeah.
Principle of giving least privileges to the employees. Okay. Security we will follow with role-based access control, and for each role we will give principle of least privileges. What is the principle we will follow?
Least
Principle of least
privileges.
privileges to the required people, required employees, or whoever it is, required
Okay.
people or required employees.
Yes.
Principle of least privileges. Okay, they should not see any kind of unauthorized data, or they should not perform any kind of actions on unauthorized data sets. They should not perform any kind of unauthorized access on other data sets. Okay. So what is the principle of security? Role-based access control. So yesterday we have seen role-based access control. We have given one by one role. Slowly the application is evolving and it has increased, right? After adding employee is a default abstract role. After adding line manager, we have seen my team. After adding HR specialist, we have seen my client groups. After adding IT security manager, we have seen security console in the tools. After adding integration specialist, we have seen after adding integration specialist, we have seen HDL
data
application implementation consultant role. We
Setup
have
and maintenance.
So step by step we have increased. So these are all default job roles. These are default means seeded. Seeded default or seeded job roles. Seeded job role means provided by Oracle. Provided by Oracle Corporation.
Oracle.
By default. Okay. Now, suppose there is a requirement is there as a HR specialist, but he should not see entire Tata Enterprise deals, Tata Enterprise employees. Okay. I want to restrict his privileges to one particular business unit and particular departments in a particular legal employer. Now you understood, right? I want to restrict his access privileges only to particular legal employer and within the particular legal employer in the business unit and few departments. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Job role plus security profile. We will see what is security profile and what is job role. Already we have seen job role. The combination of job role plus security profile is called as a data role. This is a definite interview question. So what is meant by data role? So data role is a customized role which is a combination of job role plus security profiles. This will not be provided by Oracle. Data roles will not be provided by Oracle. You have to create on your own.
Customized.
Okay. You have to create on your own. But abstract roles and job roles will be provided by seeded data. Okay. At the same time, the job roles, you can customize your job roles by copying the seeded job roles. You can customize your job roles by copying the seeded job roles. Okay. We'll go step by step.
Sir, we can customize abstract roles and job
You can
roles
customize,
also.
yes,
Right?
you can customize any
We can
role.
customize. Okay.
You can customize. Okay. You can customize, you can add, delete, you can do anything.
Sir, in that case, what is the major difference between these abstract role, job role, and data role? What is the difference?
Come again.
What is the difference between like Oracle is providing seeded data for abstract roles
Yeah,
and
what
jobs
is the
and all?
difference? Means suppose, first of all, if Oracle gives you the job role, then only you can customize it, right?
Yes.
So you cannot see security is who is providing the security? Oracle is providing.
Oracle is.
See, here you are customizing that one. Means you can remove some of the security profiles or some of the privileges.
Okay.
Suppose if you don't require that kind of scenario, just if Oracle given job role is more than sufficient, you don't have to customize, right? When what is the requirement for what is the requirement for customization means when your requirement is not matching with Oracle. Suppose Oracle has given 100 privileges, but as per your requirement, we should not give 100 privileges to the particular HR specialist. Only 70 privileges you want to give. Then only you go for customization. Anyhow, you are doing all the customization with the data roles. Generally, abstract roles will be provided. And remaining job roles, generally we will not use job roles. So when data role is a combination of what?
Job role
and security profile. So job role is coming as a part of data role. So we are using Oracle given job role and we are creating our own data role and we are following the what is the most important principle we are following?
Least privilege to the required
privileges. So generally we will not assign this role. Generally, we will not assign these roles to employees. This particular data role will be assigned to employees. So we will remove all the unnecessary stuff. Even though you give all the stuff, we will restrict the data set. By using security profiles. Pranidhi, let's take you are having 100 employees in the organization, but I don't want to give access to all the 100 employees.
I got you, sir. I got you. That's okay. Got you.
Okay. So everybody understood the concept, right?
Yes.
So always remember, we will not assign job roles to employees. So this is our learning purpose. So always we will assign data roles. Because with data roles only, we can achieve this principle of least privileges. With the data, with the job role, we cannot achieve this concept, right?
With lot many access will be there.
Correct.
So it's
if you want to achieve the
uncheck.
principle of least privileges, what role you have to create? You have to create your customized data roles. That is a combination of job role plus security profiles. Okay, so I want to ask one by one. Monica, have you understood? Monica is there? Okay, Monica is not joining. Gautami, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So Narayana, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Pranati, I guess Pranati, she understood. Iti, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Clearly.
Shan, have you understood the concept of job roles, abstract roles, and data roles?
Yes, yeah, got it.
Yeah, Anuradha, have you understood what is meant by data role at least? Concept wise, theoretically, we have not gone into.
Yes, sir. I understood. Hello.
Okay. So have you understood the basic theoretical stuff? What is meant by data role?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Hafiza, have you understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Himaja, have you understood what is meant by data role?
Yes, sir.
Nayak, have you understood what is meant by data role?
Yes, sir.
Lakshman, have you understood what is meant by data role?
Yes, sir.
Lovaraju, have you understood what is meant by data role?
Yes, sir.
So before going to practical, if you have any doubts, just ask me now itself. So always, what is the principle for
Least
security?
privilege.
Least privilege.
Least privilege.
Privilege.
So what is how we will achieve security in Oracle applications? What is the principle? So that if something we can restrict the employees' privileges so that they cannot do anything wrong. Even if they do wrong also, they cannot do on the entire data set. Okay. So this is called as role-based access control or RBAC. So who is performing which function on which database, on which data set. So this is called a role-based access control. So we will see today what is data role and how to achieve the data role and how to create the data role and how to assign the data role. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now before going to that, so mainly, okay. So security profiles, mainly there are two security profiles, but overall there are so many security profiles are there. But you have to remember importantly, only one is organization security profile and second one is managed person. Public person is there. If it is person security profile means what? It's a managed person. Public person means it's a view all role only. I'll tell you what is meant by view all and all. So what is the important security profiles you have to know? Organization security profile and person security profile. Okay. Now, so we want to restrict the data. We want to restrict the data so that people won't do any kind of wrong thing over the data. Okay.
Sir, what's the second security? Sir, security.
Yeah, first is organization security
Organization.
profile. Second one is
Person security.
Open securities.
person security. Okay.
Person security, sir.
Yeah, this is a person security profile. SP means what?
Profile.
What is meant by SP? Security profile.
Okay.
The shortcut.
Security profile. Okay.
SP means security profile. Okay. We will go to the application. So it will be easy.
Okay.
Okay. Default security profile Oracle will provide. The option is view all. Okay. So option is view all. Default, it will allow you to view all the records and all. Okay. If you don't know what you have to do, you can use this one. But we are following this principle of least privileges on particular data sets in a particular business unit. So organization security profile and person security profile should not be view all. Okay. You have to create our own security profile. Okay. So today we are having one legal employer, Tata Consumer Products. So what is the enterprise?
Tata.
Tata Group.
Tata Group. Okay. Enterprise is Tata Group. So if I give access, it will be applicable for entire enterprise. If you give HR specialist role, we can access all the legal employers, all the business units, and then all the departments. Okay. But I don't want to give access to entire enterprise. I want to give only access at the particular legal employer, particular business unit, and then particular department. Okay. So now if you want to restrict, I want to restrict to Tata Consumer Products. Within the Tata Consumer Products,
T
Tata
business unit.
T business unit. In the Tata T business unit, these 4 departments. Okay. Let us take, there are so many other departments also there. Okay. Tata Salt, sales, logistics, operations, and marketing. At the same time, Tata Copper, again, same thing. Sales department, logistic department, all the same. So total how many departments are there? So 12 departments are there. Okay. But how many departments I'm giving access?
Only
Only for these 4 departments.
4 departments.
Rest all departments, I'm not giving access to this particular HR specialist. So total how many business units are there?
3 business
Three.
units are
Business
there, sir.
units.
Only we are
Business
giving
unit.
only one.
But how many business unit I'm giving access?
One.
Only one.
So how many legal employers are there?
There are
One.
3, sir.
3, sir.
3.
We are
Three.
going to
Legal
give only
employers
one.
are there. So one is Tata Consumer Products, that is completely different company. Tata Motors US Private Limited is a different company. Tata TCS is a different company. So we have not gone through all these business units. Just for understanding purpose, I have taken legal employer is Tata Consumer Products. Within that legal employer, these are the business units. Within the business units, these are the departments. Okay. And this is the
Okay, sir.
enterprise. If I give access, normal access means job role, we can access entire enterprise level. How many legal employers also we can go to and access the particular business units, departments, all the employee records we can access. But I want to restrict and give the least privileges only for the particular legal employer, for the particular business unit, and for this particular department. Okay. So at least I'm restricting access of particular employee records, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
we are providing security or not?
Yes.
Yes,
So we
sir.
are providing
Yes, sir.
security for all these things.
Right.
So nobody can view this access
Right.
of these employees, even though he is a HR specialist. They cannot view the Tata Motors US Private Limited or TCS or all these
Right.
departments. Okay.
Right.
So we are giving only restricted access to the particular employee to perform his job functions. So what is the HR specialist he has to do? He can only do on the particular business unit and particular department. Okay. So today we have gone through the what you call till now we have gone through the theoretical stuff,
Critical stuff.
right? So
Okay.
at this point of time,
Mm-hmm.
I want to explain you first what is how to create a generic view all data role. Okay. First of all, I have to explain the generic data role. Okay. Then we will go to specific data role. Okay. First of all, what is we have to discuss? Generic data role means it's almost equal to the data role, job role. Means you can view all the Tata Group employees.
Mm-hmm.
That is generic data role. Means we are clubbing what we are clubbing here. What we are clubbing here, we are clubbing job role and security profile, where security profile can view all the
All
legal
the
employers, all the business units, all the departments, right? All the security
Mhm.
profiles, they can view all the legal employers. So we are going to create one generic data role, right? First, then we will try to understand how the data role works. Then we will go and create a specific data role.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. So how a generic data role look like is we will create one generic data role. What is meant by data role? Tell me first of all.
Data roles is combination of
The combination of a job role and security.
Yes. Data role is a combination of job role and security.
Security profile.
So now which job role we are taking here? Specialist job role. Okay.
Yes.
So we are customizing the HR specialist job role also. Customized job role we are taking. Okay. Team, if you don't understand the concept, that is okay. We are going to discuss it until everybody masters the subject. After a lot of practice only, you will understand the concepts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I have created.
Okay, sir.
security console.
Go to security console. So go to security console. I have created one role. So it will take some time. Okay. I'll tell you how to create a, this is called what? Custom. What is this? Custom job role. I have copied and pasted. I'll show you how to do that one. So this is a custom job role.
Okay.
Okay, just go to roles, search for human resource specialist job. Okay, so here this is yesterday we got some issue, right? This is the problem. So when something this is created by somebody by taking the default one, this is the actual one. Okay, these are the additional roles they have added. Okay, these are the additional roles, but this is the actual one. See, how can I say that, sir? How can you say that by saying this is not the actual role? Means actual role will have so many privileges. It won't have a 5. You just remember by that. Okay, so many privileges will be there for the actual role. Okay, now I will select this one, then you will understand. So here only we are having only 5, right? 2 duty roles, 1 job role. Okay, you are having 5, but actual role will have more than 50 to 100.
Okay.
Simple litmus test is, if you take any kind of role, the privileges would be more than around 50 to 100. Search for this one now. Now you're able to see. So
Yes,
how
sir.
many are there?
Yes.
The number.
97.
97.
Itself 97. So you can export to Excel also.
Okay.
Okay.
Human resource specialist. So these are the roles. Okay. See the role name. These are the duty roles. If you go at the end, it is duty means this is the duty role. Okay. If there is no duty means it's not a duty role.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the different roles. Roles means sometimes we will call it as a privileges. So here you see duty roles, job roles, abstract roles. If you see duty means it's a duty role. So if you see PRIV, means it's a privilege. Okay. If you see duty means it's a duty role. What are the 4 roles we have discussed yesterday? Lakshman?
The HR specialist.
No. What are the
No.
4 roles we have discussed?
Abs-
Yes. So first one is abstract role, job
Next
role,
is job roles,
Job
and then
roles.
duty role,
duty,
and then data role,
Data roles.
and then privileges, aggregate privileges. But
Privilege.
what I have
Aggregate.
told yesterday, so Oracle will not provide any kind of data role. It's a data role is a completely
Right.
customized role.
As
Right?
per
So this is a completely, see, these are all these roles who has provided for us?
Or
Oracle, right?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we cannot create any kind of duty role. We cannot create any kind of privileges. Okay? We cannot create.
So, in other word, we can say like you. So, in other word, we can say data role is completely based on the client's requirement. Is it?
Yes, yes. So completely that's what, right? See, when you are
Yes.
doing any
Yeah.
kind of customization,
Yeah.
it's what it's if it is a requirement
So
from
as
the
per
client,
their
that,
requirement.
yeah. If there is a requirement from the client and that is not fulfilling by the seeded one. Okay.
Right.
And obviously
Right.
security we have to give by using only the least privileges we have to provide. Right?
Right.
Security
Correct.
we have to give only the least privileges so that they can perform the action. Okay. So these are the different
Understood.
roles. So in that, if you see duty means it's a duty role. Okay. If you see PRIV, if it's a priv means it's a privilege. Okay. If it is here, see, it's a privilege.
Okay.
It's a duty role. And for the job role, what job role will do? Job role will inherit duty roles and aggregate privileges.
Yes.
And job roles can inherit another job roles. Okay, it's really high level topic. If you don't understand, don't get confused. Okay, this we will see in depth later. So you can understand. So these are the complete privileges. Okay, duty roles, privileges, and all this stuff. So this is the actual role provided by the Oracle, human resource specialist. This is the actual role, seeded job role provided by Oracle. Okay.
Oracle.
So what I have to do in order to customize, just click on here, copy role, copy top role. Copy top role means it will not copy the entire one. It will copy only the important one. Important one means, let us take. See, copy top role and inherited roles means it will copy the inherited roles means all the privileges and all the duty roles it will copy. Okay. Copy top role means, so it will copy the.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, 1 second, I'm telling.
Okay. I thought again the internet issue. So sorry.
So we will take copy top role and all the inherited roles means, so if any role you have added for this human resource specialist, if you copy only top role, it will not copy that one. Okay, it will copy only the human resource specialist. Suppose you added copy top role and inherited roles means, if you add any other role to this human resource specialist, it will copy that one as well. Okay, so we will discuss in depth about shallow copy and deep copy. So at this point of time, it's really tough for you as well. Okay, so now I want to customize the human resource specialist role, right? So this is a customized role I am creating. Okay, so FedEx human resource specialist. I am giving the notation, a company name FedEx human resource specialist. Okay, and now click on next. Here I am not changing any kind of policies, function security policies or data security policies or duties, anything. I'm not touching anything. Just I'm copying the role. I'm copying the deep copy. I'm copying the entire role and click on, I'm going to summary, click on submit and close. See here, if you go to the row, if you go to the summary, I have not added any kind of function security policies. I have not removed any groups. Data security policies also I have not added or removed. I have not added any role hierarchy. I have not added any kind of users to this FedEx human resource specialist. Just I'm doing the customization means I'm copying the role from HR specialist. That is seeded role from the Oracle. Just I'm naming the naming convention. I'm changing to FedEx. Okay. Click on submit and close. Once you copy that one, we have to go to administration. See, FedEx for human resource specialist is processing, right? So it will trigger one ESS job. It will trigger one ESS job, and it will take some time. It will take minimum 30 minutes to copy all the roles. And now, what we got now here? What is this?
Customized jobs.
Customized job role. Now you are able to understand how to create customized job role.
Yes, sir.
You can rename that one. And if you want to remove some of the data security policies or some of the function security policies, you can remove that one. You can add users to the particular specialist role, and you can create that one. Okay, that is really even tougher. At this point of time, we don't want to go inside of the security of inside. This is at this point of time, it is not right. Once we are done with this one, we will come back again. What is function security policies, data security policies, how to add users to this particular role at this level. So that is completely a technical concept. Okay. Even we are going to security policies. We are good at this level. Okay. Organization security profiles and person security profiles. We will learn until this one. After that one, once you are confident, then we will go inside of this job roles, how to add users and all. So we have created custom job role, right? I have shown how to create custom job role.
Yes.
So before that, I have created Tata. Now we have created FedEx. Now, what is our objective for this today's class?
Security.
What is the objective for our today's class?
Here to create a
Creation
data
of-
role. Yes.
So creation of generic data role. What is the first step we have completed?
We have created
Customized
Customize
job
job
role we
role.
have created. Okay. Customized
Yeah.
job role we have created. And now security profiles. At this point of time in this class, we cannot complete this security profiles specific one. Just we will go and see the default options and how we will get the data. Okay, security profiles.
Yes.
Now,
So security profiles will discuss again, sir.
yeah, yes, Pranati, we will discuss in depth. But at
Okay.
this point
Okay.
of time,
Yes.
we cannot
Today we are
complete
not having-
everything. Today we are
Okay.
going to complete only the generic data role.
Okay.
Just now we have started, right? The
Okay.
data,
Yes, sir.
the data role concept is it will take minimum 5 sessions.
That
But
is
it's-
what, sir. As you mentioned, this topic is kind of tricky, actually.
Yes.
That's why I'm not able to understand some
Yeah, I
concepts.
told you in the beginning, if you don't understand, take it easy.
Okay.
If you don't understand, take it easy. So with
That
my
means
12
again
years,
we'll get
Yeah.
chance to.
yeah, once you practice step by
Okay.
step, yeah, sorry team, because from
That's-
disturbance, I have to take some. Okay, even if you don't understand, everybody take it easy. So this is the first class about the data roles, and you have to practice a lot of data roles, lot of customizations and all. Okay, just this
Okay.
is the introduction you can consider. Okay,
Oh,
now
okay.
go and quickly create one generic data role. Okay, so go to
Sir,
here. Tell me.
సార్ హెచ్ఆర్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ జాబ్ రోల్ ఉంది కదా సార్,
Okay,
అది ప్రివిలేజెస్ అన్ని కాపీ చేశారు కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు కస్టమైజ్ చేసిన జాబ్ రోల్లో
okay.
సెక్యూరిటీ సెక్యూరిటీని యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఆ జాబ్ రోల్కి.
Okay.
సార్
So at
ఇప్పుడు
this point of time, I'm creating a generic data role. Means as it is, I'm copying the job role. As it is, I'm giving security profile view all.
ఓకే సార్.
So at this point of time, there is no difference between a CJD role and data role.
ఓకే సార్.
So 100 to 100%, I'm giving access by the help of generic data role. So here the data role is 100% equivalent to job role.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, and slowly we will add the security
ప్రివిలేజెస్. ఓకే సార్, ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్.
with the help of security profiles.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, so at this point of time, while I am creating a generic data role, that is exactly 100% equivalent to normal job role.
Yes, sir.
So once we are confident about how to create a generic data role, then we will add the security profiles.
Okay.
Okay,
Understood.
data roles. So here go to workforce deployment. Okay, so workforce deployment, users and security, functional area. In that, so either you can go like that or you can go to data roles and security profiles. Okay, you can go to data roles and security profiles. Create, click on create. So what is the name of the data role? Shall we give? Tata HR.
HR specialist.
Okay, HR specialist, view all. Because I am giving you the access to entire Tata, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm not restricting anything. So
Restricted.
this is a generic data role. So to mention that one, I'm giving the naming convention as view all. Okay, Tata HR specialist, view all. This is equivalent to which role? Which job role? HR specialist.
HR specialist.
100% equivalent to HR
Security.
specialist. Okay. So which job role I have to attach here?
HR.
HR
No, we have
specialist.
created a customized role, right?
Resources job.
So we have created our customized data role. So sorry, customized job role. So I'm attaching that one only. We can attach that seeded Oracle role, but already we have created our own job role, right? Customized job role. Okay, everybody understood or not here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Either we can add Oracle given, what is that one? Oracle
Needed.
human resource specialist job role. So human resource specialist, this one. We can add this one, or we have customized, we have created our own Tata, right? Tata human resource specialist.
Right.
Both are same. So both are same.
Sir, coming forward, we don't have to add security to for this seeded HR specialist role, sir.
I didn't get your doubt.
Sir, coming forward, there is a seeded HR specialist role, sir, right?
Okay.
We are creating a customized role for that HR specialist.
Okay. So we need to add the security profiles. I'll tell
Add
you.
security. Okay.
We need to add the security profiles because just now we have added job role, right? So what is data role? It's a combination of job role plus security profiles. So this is step 1 we have done. Step 2 and step 3 are there, right?
Sir.
So what is first one? Data role. So in that one, I have added the job role. And now what I have to do? I have to add the security profiles. Click on next. Okay. So now are you able to see the security profiles? So what is this? This is the job role. Okay. What is this one? Job role. For this data role. What is this one? Tata HR specialist view all is a data role. For this data role is a combination of job roles plus security profiles. Right? These are the security profiles. Right? Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So at this point of time, security profiles are all blank.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want to restrict or I want to make it view all. So it's a generic view all role. So we can select view all percentile. So this is the default organization security profile. This is a default means it is giving access to entire organizations.
Okay. Okay.
The default, if you want to give access to entire organization, entire enterprise for a particular data role, you have to select view all. Or you want to restrict, you have to create your own organization security profile. So to create your own organization security profile and select that one from here. Okay. View all organizations. Position security profile.
So,
Select what? View all positions. View all positions. Country security. You have to, suppose you want to view for all the countries. So view all countries. Okay. You want to restrict for specific country, you have to create your own country specific country security profile and add it here.
So when you say create the specific profile, security profile, see, this is, we are selecting view all, right? When you say to the specific security profile, while creating a security profile, during that time we need to select some access, is it? That's what you are saying?
No. See. So Oracle will provide you view all organizations. It's a security profile.
Yeah, view all. That's
View
access
all
for, you can view
organizations is a-
all the organizations.
Yeah. Okay, let me complete. Okay. So view all organizations is a organization security profile. Okay.
Okay.
So view all organizations is what?
One of
It's the organization security
Security
profile.
profile.
Okay.
What with this security profile, what you can access? You can access
View.
all the business units, all the legal employers, all the departments, everything. Any
Okay.
organization you can view.
Okay.
Okay. And now coming to what is the second one? Positions. View all positions. So view all positions is a position security profile.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, we can see all the
All
positions.
the positions.
Okay, we can see all the positions in all the organizations, all the business units, all the departments.
Correct. Okay.
Country security profile. So country security profile is a security profile that will restrict for the particular country. Suppose
Okay.
for United States, we have to create United States country security profile so that we can view all the organizations, all the positions within the country called United States. Suppose if we select view all countries means entire globe
We can
Global.
we can access.
Globally.
access.
Okay. What is this country security profile?
Okay. This is
Okay. And legislative data group. So the legislative data group, I think another batch, I think, you know, right? It's completely payroll related stuff. So legislative data group is the heart of the payroll. And you can view all the legislative data groups, view all legislative data groups. If you restrict, means you can only view particular legislative data groups. Okay, this is a security profile. This is a seeded one. You don't create, you are not going to create this one. So who has created this one?
Oracle.
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 Oracle has given this seeded data. View all organizations, view all positions, view all countries. These are the seeded security profiles. Okay. And person security profile. So person security and there is another thing called manage public person. So what is the difference between person? This is called as managed person. You remember when it is person means managed person. Public person means you are not going to manage this person, just you are going to view.
okay. Okay.
Managed person means you are going to do some actions like transferring an employee, terminating an employee, or giving salary hike. That is called as a managed person or just simply person. Public person means suppose he is in one department and you want to view the particular person. You are not going to do any kind of action on the particular person. Only just we can only view. Okay. So there is a public person. What you want to do on the public person? He is completely a different department, different country. Okay. Within your organization. Managed person means you are a HR, you want to do some actions, or you are a payroll manager, you want to do some actions. This is the managed person.
Okay.
Managed person means this is the entire group of the enterprise. This is under your purview. Suppose you are a manager. So 10 members are there. What actions you can do? But even though you are a manager, public person should be always a view all. Okay. You cannot do any kind of actions on the public person. Only you can do actions on the managed person. Means whoever are under your purview, we can do actions. For now, just we will see. So we have told, right, what are the important profiles we have to consider? Organization security profile and person security profile. Person security profile means this one, not the public person. Public person is view all only. Okay. We are not going to secure this one because we are not going to do any kind of actions. Just we are giving permission for viewing only. We are not doing any particular performing actions. But here we are going to do some actions on these particular persons. Okay. Person security profile. What is the default one? View all.
View all.
So view all people and view all workers. We just give view all people. So what is the difference between view all people and view all workers means? So workers means who is working in the company. People means suppose let us take Lakshman is working in the company, or let us take Hafiza is working in the company. We can only view Hafiza or Lakshman. Suppose I want to see the emergency contact of Lakshman or Hafiza. That doesn't comes under view all workers. We have to go to view all people. Hafiza's emergency contact would be his father. But if I want to see the particular person contact record, it comes under people. Workers means the people who are working for the organization is called as workers. People who somebody he has retired from the organization, we cannot view the particular record. You understood the difference, right? What is the difference
Yes.
between people and worker?
Sir, please.
Yes.
Sir, workers we can see only for one particular employee. View all people means
People
we can
work
see all the employees. Like just like an emergency number, we want to check with the officer's father number, so we can view in the all people.
So let us take. I have hired an employee called Hafiza. Okay, I've hired an employee called Hafiza. For Hafiza, I've added two contacts: his father number, his father contact, and his mother contact. Okay. In order to see his father contact and mother contact, if you select view all workers, you cannot see. But if you select view all people, every contact, every retiree, every employee, everybody comes under view all people. Workers means who is working for the organization only, you can able to see.
Okay, workers means only employee details will get, and people means will get
Yes.
people who are associated with the employees also.
Yes.
Okay.
And suppose let us take retirees. Retirees doesn't comes under worker, right?
Yes, sir.
But he is an ex-employee. People
Yes.
means ex-employees also comes under people.
Okay, okay.
Workers doesn't comes. Ex-employee doesn't comes as a part of worker.
Yes.
Okay. So that is the
Okay.
difference between people and worker. Worker means right now who is working in our organizations.
Okay.
Like retirees, ex-employees, and all these things doesn't comes under workers. But we all people means everybody who has joined, who has a part of the organization before our current, okay, and who are the contacts, everything comes under we all people.
Okay.
Okay, select we all people. Public person also. What is a public person security profile? For generic default.
View all default. View all.
So public person security profile. This is we also view all people. Okay. Now, so documents. Suppose you want to secure the documents. Again, who can have the access to view the particular documents? You can create a document security profile. So the default one for generic is view all documents. Payroll security profile. Okay. View all payroll. Suppose you have created a payroll. So which payroll you want to, you can able to see. You can able to see view all payrolls or only particular payroll. So view all payrolls. We are giving access to view all payrolls. View all document types. Payroll security profile. Okay. Flow pattern security profiles. So what kind of payroll flows you can see? Payroll flow means submitted flow is there, right? So what are the particular flows you can able to see? So view all flows. Or you can restrict at payroll flow pattern level also. Talent pool. So this is came from the recent Oracle recruitment. So for which people you can able to see. View all public talent or view all talent or public talent pools. So current one within the organization and public pool also we can able to see. Talent pool security profile. Okay. And element level. So this also comes as a part of payroll. Which elements can able to see? View all elements or only particular elements? View all elements. Element security profile. Okay. View all people. View all people. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Now click on next. So once you go to organization security profile, it will show the basic how we are providing security at the organization level. Are you providing an organization hierarchy, organization classification, organizations? So this we will see tomorrow. Okay. For now, we are giving only view all organizations means we just it will select. View all will get select. Are you able to see that checkbox? View all.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now click on next. Rest all will get disabled. When we select view all, the rest all security like areas of responsibility, all these things will be disabled, and only view all will, everything you can view. View all positions. So here view all checkbox will be enabled. This is enabled. Click on next. Country security. View all countries. This got disabled, right? This got
Yes, sir.
disabled, and
Yes.
everything you can, all the countries you can view all countries. Okay. Legislative data groups. View all legislative data groups. This also got disabled. So view all people. So simply view all. So here there is no, everything got disabled. View all documents. So here document types also disabled. Only this is enabled and view all enabled. View all payrolls. So this particular payroll here also you cannot add any particular payroll, and everything got view all. All the payrolls you can view. Once you go next, are you able to see the tick mark? Why it is coming tick mark is you have verified every security profile is proper. You have verified that the security profile for this organization is proper. You visited that particular page. So till now, payroll flow and talent pool I have not verified. That's what it is showing, that green color tick mark for this particular security profiles. You have verified. Just to cross check before clicking on submit. It is saying, okay. Till now payroll flow I have not verified. Okay, now I am verifying the payroll security flow. So it's view all. Click on next. Now this got green color tick mark. So now talent pool security profile. So view all public talent pool. I have verified this one. So click on next. Okay. View all elements. View all. Now I am coming to the review page. Okay. In the review page, you can able to see all the things. Now click on submit button. Today we are able to create a data role, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the data role we have created?
Tata.
Data specialist.
Tata HR specialist. Tell the complete name.
View all.
View all. That is
Data
very important.
view all.
View all.
Yeah.
So Tata HR specialist view all. Tomorrow I'll restrict Tata HR specialist. TCS, Tata Consumer Products, Tata T Business Unit. I'll restrict. So I have created this data role, and if you see here, security profiles as assigned. Sorry, security profiles assigned. This is showing in the green color tick mark, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what is the inherited job role?
HR specialist. Data.
Data per human.
Data personality specialist.
Tata Human Resource Specialist. So is this a seeded role or is this a customized role?
Customized roles.
It's a customized job role. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the customized job role. So role name is Tata HR Specialist to view all. What is the generic name you have created?
Tata
HR specialist view all.
Okay, you have created a generic data role, Tata HR Specialist view all. Okay, now, okay, I want to create one employee and assign this job role, right?
Okay.
Or data role. Sorry, I want to hire an employee and assign the job role. Or already if some employees are ready to verify any employee already we have created. I don't want to waste some time. Everybody know how to hire an employee, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyhow, yesterday we have created Okinawa Scout. Okay.
Mm.
We'll quickly go to the particular employee and we will remove all the roles except employee role. Okay. Except employee role, we will remove all the roles. Okay. Is it fine or not? Or shall we create new employee and assign that role?
No, we can
Okay. Anyhow, I think
assign the
we
same.
are having another employee. Yes. Okay. I think if I have told you that to create every day 2 new employees, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any kind of employees ready in this dev
Uh,
environment?
So I've shared the 1 second, let me share.
Sir, I'll give you the names. You can not in the yeah,
So this is one,
sir,
right?
you can go to us.
7809 and 7810.
But this, I think this is Dev 10, sir.
Okay. Anybody created in Dev 13?
So check 7783 A7783 E7783, yeah.
E
Oh,
means
sir.
assignment,
Employee only,
employee
not
assignment.
found.
Sir,
Maybe
you can check with Johnson because I created yesterday, I think so, in Dev 13. Johnson. Perry Johnson, I think so. Not sure. Go. Kerry
Kerry
Johnson.
Johnson.
85006.
It's
Lakshman, are you? I have not creating employees or not? Not responding.
Created, sir, they are responding, sir. So that's the reason I'm saying. They are already created, right?
Okay. Gautami, have you created any employees in this Dev 13?
No, sir, actually not in this environment.
So you can check 1006, 1008. Sorry, 1006, 1008.
Okay. Just I'm asking whether it created or not. But whenever they're told, right, just we'll go with this user account. So what is the username? Johnson.Kerry. Okay. Okay. After creating that, I forgot to tell you. After creating the data role, you need to go to this particular task, run users and roles, and
Okay.
and run the particular process.
Okay.
Okay, we can add after adding this role, we can run that one, no problem. So what is the username? Johnson.Kerry. Just select this one, go to security console. First reset the password. Okay, go to users. Click on search Johnson.Kerry.
Yeah.
What is the step we need to do? First reset the password and log in as an employee. Okay, for employee abstract only. Reset the password. Welcome one. Welcome one. Click on reset password. So here I have not added the job role.
Yeah.
Data role. I'm confused. So today I've created data role, but I have not added the data role to this employee Johnson Kerry. Okay. Just I've reset the password. I log in as Johnson Kerry and verify that employee work areas are coming or not. Okay. I'll quickly check that one. Go to navigator, me. All the tabs are coming. Okay. I want to quickly go and check like personal information. These are the pages I can work on. Okay, these are the pages I can work on. Now, are we able to see any kind of my client groups here?
No, sir.
no, sir.
No,
We're
sir.
not seeing any kind
No.
of my client groups, right? Okay, now
Yes, sir.
I'll log out. I'll log in. I'll log in as IT security manager. That is called as sandbox. We will discuss it later. Okay, there is a technical concept. Now go to security console, tools, security console. Select the user. Okay. Select the username. I'll click on here or here. Anything. Now what I have to do? Click on edit.
Edit.
And what I have to do now?
Add roles.
Add role.
roles.
Which role I have to add here?
HR specialist, data HR specialist, view all.
Yes. What is this type of what type of role is this?
HR,
Generic.
data HR
Generic.
specialist, PR.
What type of role is it?
It's a generic data role.
Yes, data role. Okay, leave about generic. It is a data role. We have created that one.
Yeah.
Data role.
It's a data role. Okay. Click on that. Okay. Tata HR specialist, view all. Click on save and close. So once you add the role, okay. So once you add the role, and this is the data role. Okay. There is an option called schedule process. Yes, schedule new process. Search for one particular process name. Retrieve latest LDAP changes.
Yeah.
So, okay, even if you don't understand, no problem. This is a particular process.
Okay.
When you add any kind of roles, so in order to reflect that role properly, we have to run this process. So go to description, synchronize users, roles, and role grants with definition in LDAP. Can anybody know what is meant by LDAP? Okay, lightweight directory access protocol. Okay, this is Microsoft one. So this is completely inbuilt with Oracle. It will latest changes with LDAP means it is having it depends upon the operating system. The same thing they have applied for Oracle also. When you do any kind of role changes, you have to run this process to remember. Okay, retrieve latest LDAP changes. So when you go to this task, run users and role synchronization process, you will have the particular process. Retrieve latest LDAP changes. You can go from here also, or you can go to schedule process and select that one and run that one. Either way, it is same. Okay. What is the note we will give here? Simple for data role. We can't submit. This particular thing, if you are unable to see the changes, then go and run this one. We see the changes, it's not required. Okay. If you are unable to see the changes for the particular employee Johnson Kerry, then you have to run this one. I don't know why it got blocked. Just we will see that later. It's already we are crossing the time. So earlier when we log in with Johnson Kerry, we are able to see only the employee related work areas. Employee related work areas. Okay. Yes. It didn't apply it. Only still we are also seeing me only. No migrant groups and all. Okay.
Because that was blocked, is it, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Already I think it is running behind, I guess. Already one process is running behind, it will block the new one.
Sir, while we are adding role, we had not given the permission to assign, sir.
You have not given the permission to
Assign that role, sir.
I didn't get you. We have assigned that role to the employee, right? Officer, just asked me what is your dot. I really didn't understood.
Sir, we had not ticked the checkbox, sir, to assign that role. I think maybe the problem lies there, sir.
Sir, go and check in the roles, sir. She's saying that we haven't checked the.
No, I understood now. It's not about that one. So it's assignable and all. No, it's not that one. So add role means you just add that one that will come. So here that latest change has not retrieved. So that is the reason it is not coming actually. Office now. So when you add the role, there is checkbox is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's not related to this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sometimes it will take time. Okay, anyhow, we will go and run another setup and maintenance. Security, of course, deployment, and users and security. Sorry, initial users. Yeah, I think already one request is running. That's why it's not allowing us to submit another transaction. See, now are you able to see my client groups? It will take time. Sometimes it will take time. And are you able to hire an employee?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can hire an.
Yes, are you able to hire an employee, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are able to hire an employee in all the legal employers, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow I am going to restrict to only particular legal employer called which legal employer I am going to restrict? Tata.
Tata Consumer Products Private.
Okay,
Products,
so
yes.
today we are able to hire an employee in all the legal employers using the data role. So tomorrow with the organization security profile, I'll give access to only one particular legal employer called Tata Consumer Products. The remaining, she or he cannot able to access. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Today what we have created?
We have created one
Data role.
big data.
Generic data role.
So tomorrow we are going to create a specific data role that will applicable for a specific legal employer, business unit, and department.
Okay, sir.
So
And we're going to restrict. We are going to restrict the
yes. Okay.
access.
So now here we are able to assign particular employee the data role. We have not assigned the job role, right?
Yes.
We have assigned the data role. So with the data role, we can play with whichever you want, whichever the particular department. You have seen the security profiles, right? The entire security profiles. Okay. You can restrict the data using security profiles. So here there are two things. One is application security and another one is data security. Application security will be restricted by the job role.
Okay, sir.
And data security will be restricted by, okay. So what is meant by application security and what is meant by data security? Can anybody explain?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
it-
please.
go
No
on.
problem, no problem. I'll explain data security, no worries.
So, as per my understanding, application security means whatever the fields in the application and whatever the actions in the application will comes under application security. Okay.
And the data security is limited to the access which will be provided to the particular employee in a particular profile.
Yes, yeah. So application security is, suppose earlier when you have hired an employee, earlier we are unable to see the my client groups, right? Are you able to see this one?
Yes.
So
No.
only we are able to see only me, right?
Right.
We are not able to see my
Right.
client groups. We are not able to see my client groups. This is called as application security. After adding the particular data role, we are able to see my client groups. So this is called as application security. Okay. Even after adding that data, even after adding the data role, we can restrict the access of the data. This is called, whatever the UI you are seeing is comes under application security. Okay. Now you are able to access the person management UI. Okay. Person management UI. But if you are unable to access the data from the person management, that is called as data security. Even if you suppose, let us take what is the employee name? Kerry, right? Okay.
Kerry. RRI. KERRI.
KERRI, sorry. Suppose tomorrow I have created one department in particular business unit, particular department, and tomorrow I have restricted the department for this employee. We should not view this department. Even if you search Kerry, you cannot able to view the employee record. If you are unable to view the employee record, you cannot do any kind of actions, right? If you are unable to view the employee data, you cannot do any, you cannot perform any kind of payroll, or you cannot perform any kind of any kind of personal related employment related stuff. Okay, these actions cannot be done on this data. Data means what? Employee record. If you're unable to view this employee record, we cannot perform any kind of action. So that kind of data security will be provided by whom? That kind of data security will be provided by whom? Security profiles. So today, why this particular person able to view the data? Lakshman?
Because we given for entire enterprise.
Sir.
Gautami?
Sir, here we selected view all options, sir.
Very good. So here we have selected the security profiles as view all for everything.
Sir,
Tomorrow,
are you not able to?
we are not going to select a view all. We are going to restrict. Okay, by giving security profiles, by creating security profiles. Today we have created a job role and added the security profiles as view all and created the data role. So that is the reason we are able to access the person management and we are able to access the data from the person management. So tomorrow, we will able to see the person management search, but we are not going to get the access to the data for the particular business units or for the particular departments. That will be provided by the security profiles. So tomorrow we are going to create specific security profiles. So today we have used all this public profiles, means view all profiles. Tomorrow we are going to create specific security profiles like this: Tata Consumer Products, Tata Tea Business Unit Organization Security Profile, Tata Consumer Products, Tata Tea Person Security Profile, and we will assign this security profiles to the data role. Okay. So today we have created data role and provided view all security profiles and made it as a generic role. So with that, we are able to access all the records. Okay. Today we are done with today's class. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Even if you don't understand or if you are at zero, take it easy. For today's class, if you don't understand or if you understand only zero, take it easy. Don't worry. Okay. Or if you have any doubts, somebody understood something and if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Narayana, do you have any particular doubt? If you understood.
Not yet, sir.
If you don't understood, that's okay. If you don't understood, take it easy. Don't worry. That's okay. If you have understood a little bit, if you have any doubt, means in between, if you are in between, you can ask.
Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay, good.